Welcome to the world of high-performance gaming, where every detail matters and every component is crafted for excellence. The Alienware Aurora R13 stands as a testament to cutting-edge gaming PC technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the gaming world. This desktop powerhouse is designed for gamers who demand the utmost performance, ensuring that every game runs smoothly and efficiently. With its striking design and high-end components, the Aurora R13 makes a bold statement, both visually and in terms of performance. It targets serious gamers seeking an immersive and powerful gaming experience, providing the tools needed to dominate any game. The Aurora R13 is more than just a gaming PC. It's a versatile machine capable of handling a variety of tasks with ease. It's a symbol of power and performance, representing the pinnacle of gaming technology. The Aurora R13 boasts impressive specifications, including the latest processors and graphics cards. It can handle the most demanding games and applications with ease, ensuring that you never experience lag or slowdown. The design is both futuristic and functional, with features that enhance both aesthetics and performance. It features Alienware's signature Legend design language, which is known for its sleek and modern look. The case has customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to create a gaming environment that reflects your personal style. This allows gamers to personalize their setup, making their gaming space truly unique. The Aurora R13 is a perfect blend of style and substance, offering both eye-catching design and top-tier performance for the ultimate gaming experience. The Alienware Aurora R13 is configurable with a range of high-performance components, making it a versatile choice for gamers and power users alike. Gamers can choose their desired specifications, tailoring the machine to their exact needs and preferences. Options include the latest Intel Core processors, which are known for their exceptional speed and efficiency. These processors provide incredible processing power, ensuring smooth gameplay and efficient multitasking capabilities. The Aurora R13 supports NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards, which are renowned for their cutting-edge performance. This ensures stunning visuals and high frame rates, making every game look and feel more immersive. Memory and storage options are plentiful, allowing users to customize their setup for optimal performance. The Aurora R13 supports up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, providing ample memory for even the most demanding applications. This enables smooth multitasking and fast loading times, ensuring that your system runs efficiently. Gamers can choose from various storage configurations, including traditional hard drives and solid-state drives. These include high-speed NVMe SSDs for fast boot times and game loading, reducing wait times and increasing productivity. The Aurora R13's design is as impressive as its hardware, combining form and function seamlessly. Its Legend design language features sharp angles and futuristic lighting, giving it a distinctive and modern look. The chassis is well-built and durable. It provides ample space for component upgrades, allowing users to keep their system up to date with the latest technology. The case's front panel has a distinctive alien head logo, adding a unique touch to its appearance. This logo illuminates in customizable RGB colors, allowing users to personalize their setup to match their style. The Aurora R13 is a visual masterpiece, designed to impress both in terms of aesthetics and performance. It complements any gaming setup with its striking design, making it a centerpiece in any room. The Alienware Aurora R13 can be equipped with up to an Intel Core i9-13900KF processor. This processor boasts incredible multi-core performance. This makes it ideal for demanding games and applications. The 13900KF has up to 24 cores and 32 threads. This allows it to handle multiple tasks simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Gamers will experience smooth gameplay even in CPU-intensive titles. The processor's high clock speeds ensure responsive performance. Whether gaming, streaming, or content creation, the Aurora R13's processor delivers exceptional results. Graphics performance is paramount for any gaming PC. The Alienware Aurora R13 excels in this area. It supports NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards up to the RTX 4090. These graphics cards deliver stunning visuals and high frame rates. This ensures an immersive gaming experience. The RTX 40 series introduces features like DLSS 3. This technology uses AI to upscale games to higher resolutions while maintaining image quality. Gamers can enjoy their favorite games with incredible detail and fluidity. Ray tracing capabilities further enhance realism. This technology simulates the behavior of light. It creates lifelike reflections, shadows, and lighting effects. Section 5. Gaming Benchmarks, Conquering Virtual Worlds. The Alienware Aurora R13's gaming performance is nothing short of exceptional. In benchmarks, it consistently outperforms competitors. Games run smoothly at high frame rates, even at demanding settings. Popular titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2 come to life with stunning visuals. The combination of a powerful processor and high-end graphics card ensures a seamless gaming experience. Gamers can enjoy the latest AAA titles without compromise. The Aurora R13 delivers on its promise of high-performance gaming. Section 6. Cooling Efficiency, Taming the Thermal Beast. High-performance components generate significant amounts of heat, which can affect their performance and longevity if not managed properly. The Alienware Aurora R13 addresses this challenge with its highly efficient cooling system, specifically designed to handle the heat generated by powerful components. The chassis of the Aurora R13 is meticulously designed for optimal airflow, ensuring that cool air is directed precisely where it is needed most. It features multiple strategically placed intake and exhaust fans, which work together to create a continuous flow of air through the system. This setup helps dissipate heat effectively, keeping critical components cool and preventing overheating. Additionally, the Aurora R13 offers advanced liquid cooling options, which provide even better thermal management for those who demand the best performance. Liquid cooling systems are known for their efficiency in heat dissipation, as they can transfer heat away from components more effectively than traditional air cooling. This allows the components to operate at significantly lower temperatures, reducing the risk of thermal throttling and ensuring consistent performance. As a result, the components not only perform better, but also have an extended lifespan, providing more value over time. The Aurora R13's robust cooling system ensures that the entire system remains stable, even under heavy loads. Gamers can enjoy long, uninterrupted gaming sessions without the worry of thermal throttling, maintaining peak performance throughout. Section 7. Price and Value, a Premium Investment. The Alienware Aurora R13 is a premium gaming PC. It comes with a premium price tag. The cost varies depending on the chosen configuration. Higher-end components naturally increase the price. Compared to other high-end gaming PCs, the Aurora R13's price is competitive. It offers a balance of performance, design, and features. The Aurora R13 represents a significant investment. However, its exceptional performance and premium features justify the cost. For gamers seeking the best possible gaming experience, the Aurora R13 is a worthwhile investment. Section 8. Advantages, Strengths of the Aurora R13. The Alienware Aurora R13 boasts numerous advantages. These make it a compelling choice for gamers. Its exceptional performance is a key strength. The combination of a powerful processor and high-end graphics card ensures seamless gaming. The Aurora R13's stunning design is another advantage. Its futuristic aesthetics and customizable RGB lighting enhance any gaming setup. The efficient cooling system keeps components cool. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. The Aurora R13's upgradeability is another notable advantage. Gamers can easily upgrade components. This allows them to keep their system up to date with the latest hardware. Section 9. Disadvantages, Areas for Potential Improvement. While the Alienware Aurora R13 excels in many areas, there are minor drawbacks. The price is a significant consideration. The Aurora R13 is a premium gaming PC. It may not be accessible to all budgets. Another potential drawback is the limited portability. The Aurora R13 is a desktop PC. It is not designed to be portable. Gamers who prioritize portability may need to consider other options. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Aurora R13 remains an exceptional gaming PC. Section 10. Comparisons standing out from the competition. The Alienware Aurora R13 faces stiff competition in the high-end gaming PC market. Competitors like the Corsair Vengeance Wing 7400 and the HP Omen 30L offer similar specifications. However, The Aurora R13 differentiates itself with its unique design. Its Legend design language and customizable RGB lighting set it apart. The Aurora R13's cooling system is also superior to some competitors. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. Overall, the Alienware Aurora R13 holds its own against the competition. It offers a compelling combination of performance, design, and features. Section 11. Conclusion. The verdict on the Alienware Aurora R13. The Alienware Aurora R13 is an exceptional gaming PC. It delivers on its promise of power and performance. Its high-end components and efficient cooling system ensure a seamless gaming experience. The stunning design and customizable RGB lighting enhance any gaming setup. While the price may be a barrier for some, the Aurora R13's performance and features justify the cost. For gamers seeking the ultimate gaming experience, the Aurora R13 is a top contender. It is a testament to Alienware's commitment to gaming excellence.